Jackery is a go-to name in the world of portable batteries and power stations. The American brand, known for its sturdy and reliable solutions, is back with a compact yet highly efficient model. The Jackery Explorer 100 Plus. A portable battery that combines a mini size with maximum capacity for those looking for power on the go while traveling, for camping or in emergency situations. This model is aimed at adventurers, professionals on the move, and anyone looking for a reliable and portable power source. One of the big advantages of this battery is that it can even go in the airplane cabin because its capacity is under the allowed limit. So you can take it with you anywhere without any hassle. It's perfect for powering your electronic devices, whether it's smartphones, tablets, laptops, or other accessories that need a quick and efficient charge. If you're looking for a compact and high-performing solution for your travels, stick around until the end. And, as usual, the link is in the description. At first glance, the Jackery Explorer 100 Plus stands out with its ultra-compact design. With its small dimensions and lightweight, it easily fits in a backpack, a laptop bag, or even a jacket pocket. Its design features the brand's iconic aesthetic, with a sleek black and orange finish. Its sturdy design is made to withstand frequent travel and various outdoor conditions. On the front, there's an LCD screen that shows precise information about the remaining charge and the input and output power. This real-time display allows for better management of the battery's autonomy and optimizes its use. The connectivity includes 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, providing maximum compatibility with a wide range of devices. The lack of a wall outlet and a car charger confirms that this battery is primarily designed for mobile use with USB devices. The Jackery Explorer 100 Plus features a next-generation LiFePA4 battery, providing excellent durability and optimized energy management. Thanks to this advanced technology, it guarantees up to 2,000 charge cycles before losing efficiency. This makes it a sustainable energy solution for demanding users. With a capacity slightly below the regulatory limit for air transport, it allows you to travel without a contract while providing enough power to charge multiple devices at the same time. Its built-in protection system prevents overcharging, short circuits, and temperature spikes, ensuring safe use. One of its major advantages is its compatibility with solar charging. Using a Jackery Solar Saga 100W panel, it can be fully recharged in about 2 hours under optimal conditions. This makes it an ideal solution for hiking, road trips, and outdoor use. In real situation, the Jackery Explorer 100 Plus adapts to different needs. It allows you to recharge a smartphone multiple times, a tablet, or a laptop, making it an essential companion for long trips. Its operation is simple and intuitive, with a clear indication of the energy consumed and the time remaining before complete discharge. Thanks to its compatibility with fast charging, it significantly cuts down the wait time to get back to full power. It can continuously power a laptop while being recharged itself using pass-through technology. This feature allows you to use the battery as an energy relay, ensuring a continuous power supply for your devices. Whether you're traveling, camping, or even in an emergency situation, the Jackery Explorer 100 Plus provides a reliable and effective solution. It can power drones, cameras, portable consoles, and various electronic accessories, ensuring great flexibility in use. Faced with competition, the Jackery Explorer 100 Plus stands out with its ultra-compact format and robust design. Unlike some larger stations that require dedicated transportation, it easily slips into a bag, making it perfect for frequent travel. Compared to an EcoFlow River 2, it is much lighter and easier to transport, although it does not have a plug. Sector. For those looking above all for a compact and high-performance battery without the hassle of a larger model, it represents an excellent alternative. Compared to the Anker Prime, it offers slightly better battery life and a more accurate display of charging information. On the other hand, the Anker has better fast charging optimization for smartphones and offers a wireless charging option, which may be a plus for some users. Overall, the Jackery Explorer 100 Plus is ideal for those who need a high-performance and portable power bank, but it is less suitable for users who need to charge equipment that requires a mains outlet or higher power. The Jackery Explorer 100 Plus is a perfectly suited solution for travelers and mobile users looking for a reliable and compact power source. Its compact size and power make it an essential travel companion. for anyone looking to keep their devices charged in any situation. Its main strength lies in the balance between size, performance, and versatility. It provides efficient charging for a wide range of devices while remaining extremely easy to carry. Its battery life, compatibility with solar charging, and LifeP technology make it a durable and safe option. The lack of an AC outlet can be a limitation for some uses, as can the lack of compatibility. Quick charge. The lack of an AC outlet can be a limitation for some uses, as can the lack of compatibility. Quick charge for some phones. However, in the context of USB-oriented nomadic use, it fully fulfills its role as a high-capacity portable battery. A top choice for those looking for reliable and high-performing power on the go. The link to learn more is in the description. Every purchase made through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. And if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, to like the video and, of course, to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.